Hello, my name's Dr. Alyx Taylor and I teach physiology to student health professionals and sports scientists, and I work in medical research. My main research area is in the human stress response, with particular interest in the origin of individual differences in stress response, and most importantly, how to help them manage their stress response to improve health and well-being. Responding to a challenge is a normal and healthy process in human beings. Getting ready to run a race, for example, is a short-term challenge or acute stress. You might know this as the fight or flight response. It causes lots of changes, including the heart beating faster due to the release of adrenaline. An increased blood circulation provides more oxygen and glucose for the muscles and brain, which is really helpful in that acute situation. Once the race is over, the body stops producing the hormone stimulus, and then everything returns to the resting state, and that's the normal process, and it's a healthy recovery. Stressors can be present or they could be anticipated. The physical response is the same either way. So it's healthy to not carry on anticipating bad things or being anxious about things that haven't happened. However, that's something that is a natural thing for human beings as well. So it's a challenge to stop that pattern and allow recovery. What happens if the challenge or stress doesn't go away? What happens if the person carries on being anxious? Well, then the body carries on producing the stress response, which can become a problem in itself. For example, part of the stress response is the release of the hormone cortisol, which suppresses the inflammatory response, which is part of the immune system. If that's suppressed for too long, it could become a very big problem for the human. The body needs to recover. It needs to be able to return to the resting condition to maintain health. If an individual can be helped to feel less anxious, less stressed, their brain will send less fight or flight signals to the body, and so that will start the process towards recovery. We've acknowledged how powerful the human mind is, that it can stimulate the physical response to these challenges. So why not harness that power and assist the recovery phase and help maintain healthy balance? This is my understanding of the theory behind Todd's work.